Hi everybody, and welcome. Today, we will be looking at two popular real estate tools, PropWire and Flipster. These tools are designed to help real estate investors find opportunities, analyze deals, and manage their business more efficiently. I have included a link in the description for you to try PropWire right away. Let's start with PropWire. PropWire is a platform designed for finding real estate leads. It provides access to a large database of properties, including off-market deals, foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, and distressed properties. PropWire's database is updated frequently to ensure users have access to the latest information. One of the key features of PropWire is its ability to let users filter searches by criteria such as location, property type, equity, and motivation of the seller. This can save you a lot of time if you are targeting specific types of deals. Another useful feature of PropWire is its ability to export data. This means you can download the property information and integrate it into other tools or share it with your team. PropWire also has built-in tools for skip tracing, which allows you to find contact information for property owners. This is especially useful if you are looking to reach out to sellers directly. PropWire offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced investors to navigate the platform. The pricing for PropWire is competitive, and in many cases they offer a free tier with limited features, which can be helpful if you're just starting out or want to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. Now, let's move on to Flipster. Flipster is an all-in-one real estate investing platform. It is specifically designed to help investors manage the entire process of flipping houses, from finding deals to closing them. Like PropWire, Flipster provides access to a database of property leads, including foreclosures and distressed properties. However, Flipster goes beyond lead generation by offering additional tools to help investors analyze deals. For example, Flipster includes a deal analyzer that lets you calculate the potential profit of a property based on your purchase price, rehab costs, and selling price. This can be incredibly valuable when determining whether a deal is worth pursuing. Flipster also offers project management tools. These tools help you stay organized by tracking your progress on each deal, managing your budget, and even creating marketing materials for selling properties. Additionally, Flipster includes templates for contracts, which can save you time and money compared to hiring a lawyer to draft documents. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to consider what features are most important to you and how much you are willing to spend. If possible, take advantage of any free trials or demos offered by these platforms to see which one feels like a better fit for your business. I have included a link in the description for you to try PropWire right away.